Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the updated version of how to vote Kick and Spray Paint Roblox. So first, you're going to want to figure out like who's griefing or like who you want to vote Kick. So just say, I don't like this person. You're going to want to look to the top right of your screen and click the player list or tab. Or as you can see, it's a trophy icon. Click on it. Then from here, journal and just find the person that you want to vote. Kick and click on their name. And then from here, you'll have an IE icon, and next to will be an hammer icon, but you will need at least 2 hours of playtime to have this option. Once you have it, you'll be able to initiate a vote Kick, and there's going to be a box at the top of your screen which will say vote no or vote Kick, and it will show you how many votes you will need to actually kick this person. And if you'd like to, you can click on the eye icon and see where they're at and what they're doing. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.